Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. I am Adina Ghaffar and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you dua after sneezing. When you sneeze, then say Alhamdulillah. It means all praises and thanks are to Allah. Your companion should say Yarhamukullah. It means may Allah have mercy upon you. When someone says Yarhamukullah to you, then you should say Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum. It means may Allah guide you and set your affairs in order. Jazakallah khair. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell to get the latest updates of my new videos.